This is Michael Lukes from How to Livable. Today I'm going to show you how to turn on dark mode on Microsoft Word. How to Livable is your channel for how-to guides, tips, steps, advice, everything that helps you live and work better, right? I co-own the channel with Chris Weir. Him and I both do content for a living. I'm a creative writer. Chris does video. If you need help from either of us, we'd be more than happy to discuss a project with you. But let's get right into this. So, first you want to go to File. Obviously, I have a document up here. Click on File and go to Account. And click on Account there. And then it's Office Theme. This is where you can turn on dark mode. There's actually a couple options. You have dark gray or black. But for true dark mode, you want to go ahead and hit on black. There you go. You have it. It's going to automatically save it here in your account. If you don't already have a Microsoft account, you might have to create one here. If you have like a free trial version, you might need to upgrade in order to access this. But that is how to turn on dark mode on Microsoft Word.